In this video, we will learn how to use the CV parser for bulk resume upload feature in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. The CV parser is an AI-powered feature that automatically extracts candidate information from resumes and creates structured candidate profiles in the system. To begin, go to the side navigation panel and click on the Recruitment menu. From the list of submenus, select Talent Pool. This will open a page displaying all the candidates already available in your system. Now, locate and click on the Import Bulk Candidate button, placed above the candidate list. On this page, you will see multiple tabs for importing candidates. The first tab is CV Parser. This method allows you to upload a .zip file containing multiple resumes in .pdf or .docs format. Please note that other file formats are not supported in this method. Within the CV Parser tab, first select the source of the candidates from the drop-down menu, such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Job Portal, or Referral, depending on your requirement. Next, click on the upload area that says Drag your file to upload and select the zip file containing the resumes from your system. Once the upload is complete, uKnowva will automatically begin parsing the resumes. Based on this data, the system will automatically create structured candidate profiles inside the talent pool. This feature helps recruiters save time by reducing manual data entry and speeding up bulk candidate uploads. That's it! You now know how to use the CV parser for bulk resume upload feature in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.